Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Standard Chartered Bank now acquires a land in the Sandbox Metaverse. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority is seeking comments on the retail CBDC. The first ever gold Bitcoin ETF will be launched in Europe. New York State Assembly passes bill to stop cryptocurrency mining use non-renewable power. A Bitcoin ATM was installed in Mexico's Senate building, opening a door for national crypto regulation. Now let's dive into the details. Standard Chartered Bank now acquires a land in the Sandbox Metaverse. Standard Chartered Bank Hong Kong announced today that with the support of the bank's venture arm SC Ventures, it's become the latest bank to purchase a plot of land in the Sandbox Metaverse's megacity district. To explore and implement innovative ideas, the bank will drive engagement with the firm's clients, employees, and the global digital industry. Its goal, according to the London-based bank, is to experiment with and develop immersive experiences for its clients, as well as to attract creatives and sports fans to the metaverse. Having acquired virtual land in megacity, a natural choice for the bank given its distinctive Hong Kong theme, perfectly fits with our promise of strengthening our continued presence in Hong Kong, whether physical or virtual, said Mary Hewen, CEO of Standard Chartered Hong Kong. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority is seeking comments on the retail CBDC. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority has released a discussion paper seeking input on the fundamental problems surrounding a central bank digital currency for consumers. The EHKD, a policy and design perspective document from the region's de facto central bank, examines the policy and design considerations around a digital Hong Kong dollar. The authority is looking at the issuing method, interoperability with other payment systems, as well as privacy and data security. The HKMA previously investigated the technical aspects of issuing a CBDC and released its results in October of last year. The first ever gold Bitcoin ETF will be launched in Europe. On Wednesday, the first exchange-traded product to combine gold and Bitcoin in a single fund will launch. We're making Bitcoin an acceptable asset to hold and bringing gold into the 21st century, said Charlie Morris, Chief Investment Officer of ByteTree Asset Management, which is behind the 21 shares ByteTree Bold Index ETP, due to list on the Swiss exchange with the ticker BOLD. A German listing is expected to follow later. Despite the fact that gold ETPs and spot Bitcoin ETPs are both publicly available, Morris stated that ByteTree's active rebalancing method improved returns by 7 to 8 percentage points per year in backtesting. The New York State Assembly passes bill to stop cryptocurrency mining use non-renewable power. The bill would impose a 2-year ban on new cryptocurrency mining from using fossil energy sources, and the use of proof-of-work authentication methods to validate blockchain transactions be subject to a full generic environmental impact statement review. The cryptocurrency mining process will be affected. Anna Kells is an American Democratic Party politician who currently represents New York State Assembly District 125. The New York Assembly passed a bill to block new crypto mining facilities using non-renewable energy sources from setting up shop in the Empire State. Assembly Bill A7389C, sponsored by Democrat Anna Kells, will impose a 2-year moratorium on new crypto mining firms that use carbon-based energy source. A corresponding bill is working its way through the state Senate. A Bitcoin ATM was installed in Mexico's Senate building, opening a door for national crypto regulation. A Bitcoin ATM was installed in a Senate building in Mexico City on April 26, with the support of many politicians, notably Miguel Ángel Mancera, coordinator of the Party of Democratic Revolution, the PRD parliamentary party. Mexico already has 13 cryptocurrency ATMs in Mexico City, Tijuana, Cancún, Guadalajara, Culiacán, San Miguel de Cozumel, and Aguascalientes, making this the 14th in the country. Senator and prominent crypto enthusiast Indra Kempis of Mexico posted a photo of the new ATM on Twitter, hailing it as a sign of financial freedom, inclusion, and education in Mexico. We put the first Bitcoin ATM in the Mexican Senate. It's for educational purposes towards inclusion and financial education of the future, the senator tweeted. Senator Miguel Ángel Mancera, who also announced the installation of the Bitcoin ATM, stated that the volume of Bitcoin transactions has already surpassed that of conventional payment systems such as PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard, which has had an unprecedented market capitalization according to the PRD legislator. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the CoinCu channel to stay up to date on the latest news.